In this demo, we will see how we can accelerate the resolution of an incident that has been detected in one of our main customer applications. This solution will help your DevOps organization to minimize the risk of a high cadence of change requests and speed up the deployment while you ensure compliance with your regulatory requirements. The process starts when an incident is logged in SMAX for the application. The incident will be automatically escalated to our development team in Micro Focus Octane as a defect. Once the development team has done all the work and the defect is closed, we will automatically register a change record in SMAX to ensure that we comply with our regulatory process. Once the pipeline is successfully executed, we will update the change with information from the development phase, integrating your dev tools like Micro Focus Octane or Jira, GitLab, etc., to assess the risk of the change. Our automated risk management engine in SMAX will assess the risk of the change and automatically approve if it is low risk, so only 5 to 10% of the changes will require to go for approval. Once the change is approved, SMA will automatically trigger the deployment to production in the scheduled date. Let's see it in action. We are opening SMAX to create the incident that has been detected. The incident can be also opened by our monitoring tool automatically. There is an issue with the SafePay gateway of the application AOS. All transactions are failing, so we are opening the incident as urgent. After creating the incident, SMAX will automatically create a new defect in Octane, so our developers can start working on the resolution. Once the defect is solved by the development team, Octane will automatically update the incident, and a new change related to the incident is registered. We need to correctly schedule the change to ensure that the deployment in production is the selected date. We can see how SMAX machine learning capabilities are automatically proposing the best time frame for the implementation, considering maintenance and blackout periods as well as collisions with other scheduled changes. The change is in the phase build and test, where automatically is triggering the associated pipeline in Jenkins. Here in Jenkins, we can see the full process of the execution. Also, the development team can follow the execution directly from Octane. Once the pipeline is successfully executed, the change is automatically updated with the information needed for assessing the risk. The change risk analysis system has been automatically updated with different KPIs need to correctly assess the risk score. You can define your risk KPIs. In this demo, we are considering the quality of the development with the number of issues detected in the code, the percentage of the test pass, total lines of code changed, total commits, deployment time, etc. We can also see graphically the information related to the risk analysis. The graphical report helps you to better assess and understand the risk assessment calculated for the change. In the dashboard, we can see the different KPIs used to assess the risk from a development point of view, like total lines of code changed or test pass rate, and from an operations point of view, we have KPIs like the total number of services impacted, percentage of similar failed changes, total downtime duration, etc. Based on the risk level, the flow will go to the approval process or directly to execute the deployment in production on the scheduled date. In this case, the change doesn't require any approval, so it automatically triggers the pipeline to deploy to production. Once it is deployed in production, the change is automatically closed, and the related incident and defect in Micro Focus Octane is also closed. Thank you for watching.